Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can export your Snapchat photos to gallery. It's pretty simple. For that you need to click on your Snapchat profile picture at the top left of your screen. Then you need to click on the setting icon at the top right. And once you're over here, you can scroll a bit down until you see the option called memories. Now from inside memory, you want to click on the option called auto save my story snap. Click on it. And make sure you click on auto save to memories. Once auto save to memory is tick marked, at the top you can see the option called save button. Click on save button and make sure you choose memories and camera roll. Once you do that, basically your setting is done. Now if you take a photo or a video using Snapchat like this and you click on the little download option at the bottom left of your screen and click on allow access to all photo, and basically it's going to show you a tick mark, which means the photo has been downloaded. Now it's going to be available both in your Snapchat memory as well as your camera roll. As you guys can see, it's over here inside my camera roll and it's over here on my Snapchat as well, which means the photo has been exported both on my gallery and on my Snapchat memory. So I hope you understand how we guys can export Snapchat photo to gallery. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I will see you guys next time.